Hi, my name is Chris Palmer. Today we're going to talk about how to use push sticks on a table saw. A great thing to do with all those scrap pieces of wood laying around your shop is to build push sticks with them. There's a lot of different varieties. There's a lot of different uses as well. You want to suit your stick to your specific task at hand. Some types fit right over the fence of your saw. Those are great for small work that's up close to the blade. Some are nice and long. Some are multi-purpose. You might put a square edge that you can use as a marking gauge as well. Keep your push sticks close at hand, but not in your way. Always use them even when you think you could just, make that one cut and try to get away with it. Take the time, grab the push stick, push the work through safely. Here's a few different styles of push stick. This one's nice. You can wrap your hand right around there. The workpiece fits in there. You push it right through the work. It's really secure, and it keeps the workpiece flat because it's got that nice long piece on it like that. Here's one that's nice and long. I rounded down the handle. Again, it just keeps my hands well away from the work. Similar one. This happened to be a scrap. I just cut the notch in it and it's good to go. This one's great for small work. I made it so it fits snugly right over my fence of my table saw. And this notch obviously pushes your work through. I put this as a reminder to not let my thumb drop anywhere near the blade. I just glued that on there. This is great. It fits on the bottom rail of my saw. It's always handy, and it's a nice sliding push stick. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you use push sticks on the table saw.